Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about IBASE palm size SI-111-N Fanless 4K digital Signage player. So friend, IBASE, a leading global provider of industrial grade digital Signage player, is pleased to unveil the SI-111-N, a palm size fanless 4K digital Signage player system based on Intel Atom X6211E and Celeron N6210 processor and equipped with an HDMI 2.0B port that supports 3840 x 2160 60Hz resolution. The industrial grade system enables business to easily connect to a 4K display and create immersive visual experience that attract attention and effectively promote their product or services. And friend, the IBASE values sustainable development and ESG practice, and friend, it incorporates various energy saving features including IBASE's proprietary iSMART green technology that enables power on or off scheduling with power resume capabilities, and the observer utility that remotely monitors system voltage and temperature to ensure the system is operating efficiently while minimizing energy consumption. And friend, its extensive I/O connectivity offers a rich array of expansion options, reliable data handling and wireless operation, which include 2.5 GB LAN, COM port, M.2 M-Key and M.2 E-Key sockets. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.